Hi, my name is Kaya Turkio. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the bonus project for EECS1011. This is a wildlife alarm system that is connected to an application on your phone called ThingSpeak. It's an application made by the creators of MATLAB. Basically, it just gets the data from your setup or your sensors, and then it logs it into 2 graphs or however many graphs you like in the application. This entire project aligns with all the course learning outcomes, all 8 of them, and it also aligns with the Sustainable Development Goals of protecting wildlife, or life on land, which is number 15. To go through my setup over here, I have an ultrasonic sensor. I have the wires with the trig, echo, ground, and VCC pins all aligned properly. I have my code over here, which I can explain. So I initialize like my buzzer, ultrasonic sensor, the Arduino. I set the threshold of how far I want the object to be around, from the sensor. So if the object is too close, the buzzer will sound, which will scare off the animal. I have my main loop. The threshold distance is 15 centimeters, but it's in meters. The main loop basically to call the sensor to read the distance of the objects constantly. If the distance is less than the threshold distance, then the buzzer will sound. It uses pulse width modulation for the buzzer. It goes from 0 to 1 or 0% to 10%, so it sounds a lot like an alarm. And then the buzzer turns off, and then the data that is that is gained from the sensor gets logged into ThingSpeak along with the date and time, so I can know like when my cat, for example, went too close to a dangerous object in my house. And then it writes the data using my write key and my channel ID, which I got from the website, ThingSpeak website, and then the code just continues running until another motion or object is detected close by. I'm going to demonstrate it for you really quickly. I go to my command window. Animal alert system initialized, monitoring. So currently the sensor is monitoring. It's like reading the distance from the ultrasonic sensor. So let's say I get within 15 centimeters. An alarm goes off. The distance is converted into centimeters, because with this it's in meters and I converted it to centimeters. It displays the duty cycle from 0 to 100, just showing that the alarm is actually working, because I was having some difficulties with that buzzer. And then the buzzer turns off, and then the sighting, the object sighting from the sensor is logged in with the date and the time as I set it. And as you can see over here, it's at 13.01 centimeters. Look on the graph. There it is, that new plot right there, 13.01 centimeters. And then just tells me that there was another sighting at this specific time. So yeah, this is a really useful application. The ThingSpeak, my alarm system is very practical. It is, it's very ethical. It, prevents accidents from happening, especially for pet owners like myself. I also want to talk about the grand challenges that I chose. I chose, where is it here? Advanced personalized learning. Basically, this system allows you to learn more about your environment, so you can utilize this system at home, outdoors in your local neighborhood, in different environments. It's really practical. So this is gonna advance your learning, so you get to learn about your, the pets in your house, their activity, the trends, their behaviors. And finally, I want to briefly go through the outline of the course learning outcome. So soft computing skill, which is basically MATLAB coding, fundamental constructs, including variables, expressions, controls. So I used a while loop in my code. Write a simple program, which is exactly what I did. Computing environment to implement selected applications, math, science, and engineering. This is an engineering system. Plot data, which is seen over here. There is nothing hazardous in this. It actually prevents hazards from happening. Sensor has been used, so that's number 7, and an ethical dilemma, which is our wildlife being affected. Thank you for watching.